Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Life Review. My name is Dev and today we are here with an unboxing of another Amazfit watch, which is a really good value for money in 2022. So this is the Amazfit Bip U. Let me show you around the box first and I'll tell you how much it costs and what type of features this has. So on the side it says 31 gram lightweight. So this is one reason which I bought it for day-to-day use. This is feather light and you will not even realize that you're wearing it. This is so light, it's very comfortable to wear it all throughout the day and even at night when you are sleeping, so that you can do that sleep monitoring stuff which these watches do. So this is water resistant 5 ATM, so you can go swimming with this one. Sleep quality monitoring, of course. Personal activity pi, which is an aggregate mixture of all your physical activities. On the back it gives the maximum retail price of this is stated as 5,999, but right now you can get this for anywhere around 1,999 to 2,500. This is very cheap right now, and for the quality and the features that it gives, I would say this is a very good buy right now. So what else imported? This is, I think it should be made in China. Yeah, country of origin is China and Android 5 and all right. So let's see what's on this side. Yeah, the color display is 1.43 large color display, not an AMOLED. So of course you cannot get AMOLED at this price, right? So this is an LCD, 60 plus port modes, blood oxygen saturation measurement. So this is SpO2 and 9-day battery life. The battery life of this is good. Of course the older Bip had longer battery life, but this one, because of its LCD screen, this has still it's quite good even if you compare it with other options out there. So let's unbox this and see what is in the box. Usually Bip Amazfit unboxings are quite nice. I really like this, nicely packed. Okay, so right out of the box, a few boxes in the boxes. Okay, some documentation, thick documentation booklets. I wonder why do they still wasting paper like this. Yeah, all right, I'm not going into that. So we have the charger here, the charging cable. Okay, finally. All this for nothing. All right, the usual one. I think this is the same structure like they have with their Amazfit other watches. I'm not sure if these are compatible. I have the Amazfit T-Rex with me. Maybe this will fit here. Yeah, the magnet works, and even the pins light up. So yeah, pretty generic charger, and yeah, quite strong also, that I have to say. All right, now coming to the watch itself, packed in plastic, nice plastic. Okay, this is how it looks. Nice rubber strap. This is a 20 strap, and the buckle of this is plastic, so yeah, keeping the cost down and also keeping the weight down. The screen is, you can see it. Let me just first show this around and then I will try to turn this on. So plastic body, complete plastic body, no metal used in this one. The sensors of this is quite big. It's quite different from the earlier models. It almost looks like a smaller brother of the GTS Mini, very similar. And also the features of this is also very similar. The sensors also look similar. So complete plastic body. So we have the heart rate, SpO2 monitoring here. This is the charging pin. So let us do the charging pin test. So it fits quite nicely and it does not fall off. So this is one thing which I do not like in other watches, that sometimes this charger is not very strong and it actually falls down. So in this case it is not the case. Very strong magnet. All right, and releasable clasp here, and 20 great. All right, now Amazfit branding at the bottom, and it might not be the liking for many because these days people are accustomed to like bezel, very less bezel, but this one has a very considerable chin at the bottom. So let me try to turn this on. Right, so this is an LCD screen, but I am really surprised at how bright it is. This is almost comparable to your OLED screens. This is very bright. The screen is very good. This is a top quality LCD watch, and as you can see, really nice. And of course by this you can see the screen is not that much. Let me see if I can. Yeah, the screen is only this. The bezel is quite thick, but I would say by what you are paying, the amount of money that you will pay, you will get quite a good smartwatch, because the sensors of this are really nice. This gives you accurate reading. This will give you accurate heart rate and SpO2 monitoring, and also this will give you accurate step count. So in this In this budget, I would say this is one of the best smartwatches that you can buy. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and check out one of our latest videos. Here, goodbye.